Hey everyone, friends Valar here. Today I'll show you how to download and install shaders on Tlauncher. Open any browser and find the shaders you want. I'll choose complementary shaders. Go to Forge, Files, and download Optifine for your version. So you pick your version. Yeah, Optifine, the latest one, let's say. Download it. Save it and put it on your desktop to make things easier. Next, open Start, type Run, type %appdata%, and click OK. Here, open .minecraft, find shader packs, and drop our mod in here. Yeah, and just launch the Optifine version in Tlauncher, and in the game itself, just select your shader pack. This was Valor. See you all later.